Come on, let's go off the road. Today we're going to be, how you guys could yawn. I'm just opening a new tab because I'm not allowed to record on my phone anymore. So, first you have to bite your lip once, okay? Wait. There. Now it's your head. Blink 12 times. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Currently, at time of recording, it's 8:32 p.m. So it's a definitely higher chance. Now, on this YouTube video, it says like the video, which I don't think is included, but please do it. It's on more LEA. Then finally just shake your head. I already tried it twice. Oh, it just made you yawn. Well, to be fair, it is 8:33. Subscribe, and I'll catch you all on the flippity flop.